I want to live in a world where people learn to make things with their own hands, where you can learn how to create instead of just to consume. My name is Nora, and I've been leather crafting for about 6 years, and I'm completely self-taught. You may have seen some of my work and think that I'm some kind of master of my craft, but the truth is that I'm no master. There's still a lot that I don't know, but with every mistake, I learn and improve. I had to learn everything I know the hard way, through trial and error, but it doesn't have to be that way for you. I can tell you that learning is 1,000 times faster and easier when you have someone to guide you. I can make beautiful things because I have a deep understanding, not just of how I do what I do, but why it works. I want to share not just the techniques, but my understanding of leathercraft. Come with me on this journey and actively participate in my leatherworking courses by deciding what lessons we learn, what projects we work on, and finally ask those questions that have been holding you back. I can't teach you everything, but I will happily teach you everything that I know.